Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 Cbse Max complex numbers and quadratic equation exercise 5.5. In that 1 to 10 sum we are going to see in this video. Let's see the question. Express each of the complex number given in the form a plus ib. So a plus the real number plus the imaginary part we need to combine and form a plus ib form. In the first question it's given as 5i into minus 359. Here it is in multiply, so multiply the numbers and the I differently, imaginary part separately. So this becomes 5 into 3 by 5. Here I into I, 5 gets cancelled, 3 into I square. We know that I square is nothing but 3 into minus 1. I square is nothing but minus 1. So if I multiply, I get minus 3. So this is the answer, but we want in the form a plus ib. As there is no imaginary part, there is no I over here, it has gone. So we can write this to be, so here it is minus, so minus into minus will become plus. So we can write this to be 3 plus 0 I, because we need to write a plus ib form. So you can write this to be 0 I. We know that I equal to root of minus 1. So I square will become minus 1. That's why I have written minus 1 here. This is the first sum. We'll move on to the second one. Second question is I power 9 plus I power 19. So we can't do anything. We can't add power when it is in power. I'm going to take the common outside. The first step, I'm going to take common outside. If I take common outside, the least power will be my common. So 9 will be my common. Here it becomes 1 and here it becomes I power 10. So I power 10 means we can write this to be 1 plus I square the whole power 5. We know that I square will be minus 1. Minus 1 power 5, I'll write the step. Here it becomes I power 9. 1 plus this becomes I square will become minus 1 power 5. Minus 1 power 5, anything with the minus sign with the odd number it becomes negative, so minus 1. I 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. So 0 into I will become 0. So there is no value, but anyway we need to write this in a plus ib form. So a, there is no a, there is no I. So it becomes 0 plus 0i. You need to write it in 0 plus 0i form because we need to write it in the form of a plus ib. So write it as 0. The real part as 0 plus 0. The imaginary part is also 0. Now we'll move on to the third sum. In the third sum it is given as I power minus 39. We know that I power 13 minus anything with the minus power, we can write this to be 1 by I power 39. I am writing this to be 1 by 39. If it is an odd power, we can't do anything. So I just want to write it in even power so that we can take the square as usual. The sum before we are taking it square. No, the same way we can write it. So I want to multiply this numerator and denominator with I. If I multiply with numerator and denominator with I, the numerator becomes I and the denominator becomes, as the base is same, we need to add the power becomes 40. If it is 40, I can write this to be I power 4 the whole power 10, because we know the I power 4 value is 1. So 1 power 10 will become 1. So this will become only I. So I by 1 will become I. So there is no real part, only imaginary is there. So we can write this to be 0 plus I. So this is the final answer, because there is no real part we need to write it with 0. So 0 plus I is the answer for the third sum. We'll move on to the fourth one. In the fourth question, it's given as 3 into 7 plus I7 plus I7 plus I7. So we can multiply the number outside. That is, we can multiply 3 inside and I inside. If I multiply this, I get 7 3s are 21 plus I 7 3s are 21 plus 7I or I7 plus I into I becomes I square into 7. Now this is a like term, we can solve it. So 21 plus 28I plus, here this becomes minus 1 into 7. So 21 plus 28I minus 7. So we can solve, this is a like term, this becomes 14 plus 28I. As we want in A plus IB form, we have written in A plus IB form. So that's all with the fourth one. We'll move on to the fifth one. In the fifth question, it's given that 1 minus I minus 1 plus 6I. So bring the minus sign inside. If it goes inside, it becomes minus into minus will become plus 1, here minus 6I. So remove the bracket, solve the like term. These two are like terms and these two are like terms. 2 minus, here there is no number, so it is 1. 1 plus 6, it becomes 7I. This is the final answer for the fifth sum because it is in the form A plus IB. Now we'll move on to the sixth one. Sixth question, it is given that 1 by 5 plus I 2 by 5 minus 4 plus I 5 by 2. I'm just taking the bracket, so I'm bringing the minus sign inside. If I bring minus sign inside, it becomes I 2 by 5. It becomes, so remove the bracket, minus 4. Here plus into minus will become minus 5 by 2 I. Now we can solve the like term. These two are like terms and these two are like terms. We need to take LCM. I'll write it nearby. Then we'll take LCM plus I 2 by 5 minus I 5 by 2. Now taking LCM, if there is only 1, you can directly multiply with and subtract. This becomes 1 minus 5 4s are 20 by 5. Here just multiply the numerator, just cross multiply for taking LCM, and denominator multiply it. Here it becomes plus I. If I multiply this 2, it becomes 2 2s are 4 minus 5 5s are 25I by 5 2s are 10. This becomes minus 19 by 5. Here minus, we can solve this, we can subtract this because it is plus and minus. If we subtract, it becomes 21 I by 10. As we want it in A plus IB form, we can write this to be like this, or we can take the minus sign outside. We can write 19 by 5 minus 21 I by 10. No need to take LCM, we can leave it as it is. Now we'll move on to the seventh one. In the seventh one, it's given as 1 by 3 plus I 7 by 3 in brackets plus 4 plus I 1 by 3 close bracket minus 4 by 3 plus I. Now solve the inside bracket, it's just the plus. We can solve the like term. Now this two are like term and this two are like term. As it is plus, we can write the number, we can rearrange the number, then we can solve it. Now here minus into minus will become plus 4 by 3, here minus I. We can solve all the like terms. Here like terms are this number with this number, with this number. So bring everything to the, rearrange them. 1 by 3 plus 4 plus 4 by 3. We can also take I common. If not, no problem. Just write I 7 by 3 plus I 1 by 3 minus I. Taking LCM, we don't have 3 here. Just multiply the numerator and the denominator with 3. Same here. Numerator with 3 and denominator with 3. We can solve the number now. This becomes by 3. Here 1 plus 12 plus 4. This becomes plus I7 plus I1 minus 3I by 3. If we solve this, we get, solve the numbers, it becomes 17 by 3 plus, here 7 plus 1, 8 minus 3 is 5 by 3I. So we have solved in A plus IB form. We'll move on to the 8th sum. In the 8th sum, we have the question to be (1 plus I power 4). We don't have anything with I power 4 formula. As it is a 2 number, it can't be solved in power 4. We need to write this to be 1 minus I the whole square, the whole square. Now we can solve this in the formula, that is A minus B whole square formula. A square minus 2AB plus B square, the whole square. We know that I square is minus 1. So if I write minus 1, this and this get cancelled. Here it becomes minus 2I the whole square. So if you square this, minus to minus will become plus. Here it becomes 4. Here it becomes I square. Here 4 into minus 1 will become minus 4. But we need to write it in the form. So minus 4 plus 0I. So A plus IB form, which is minus 4 plus 0I. Will move on to the 9th sum. 9th sum, the question is 1 by 3 plus 3I the whole cube. So it is in the formula of A plus B the whole cube, that is A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. We can solve it in this formula because it is in whole cube. Now A cube is 1 by 3 the whole cube plus B cube is 3I the whole cube plus 3 into A square is 1 by 3 into whole square. Here 3I plus 3 into A is 1 by 3, B is 3I the whole square. Now cube it, we can solve this. Solve it, it becomes 1 by 27 plus 27I cube plus 3 into 1 by 9 into 3I. This becomes, this get cancelled. Here it becomes plus 9I square. Now we are going to solve this. Here we can write this to be plus 27 into I square into I. So we can cancel this. 3 3s are 9 by 9 plus I plus 9 into minus 1. The I square can be written as minus 1. Now this is equal to 1 by 27 into, this becomes minus 27, sorry, plus minus 27I, because I square is minus 1 into 27 will become minus I plus I minus 9. Now 1 by 27, this becomes minus 26I minus 9. We are taking LCM, so it becomes 27 by 1 into 27. If I multiply with 27, I get 1 by 27 minus 26I minus 63 so here it becomes, so if we subtract this. These are like terms. If we subtract this, we get minus 242 by 27 minus 26i. If we want, we can take common minus sign outside. No need to take off LCM. We can leave it as it is. So this is in a plus ib form. We'll move on to the 10th one. In the 10th sum, it is given as minus 2 minus 1 by 3i the whole cube. It is in both are minus, so we can write the a plus b whole cube formula, which we have written before, a plus b whole cube formula, and substitute the minus sign wherever it comes. So it becomes plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Just substitute the minus sign wherever it is required. So it is required in everything. Just substitute the minus sign. Here it becomes minus 2 the whole cube plus minus 1 by 3 I the whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 the whole square into, for b it's minus 1 by 3 I plus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1 by 3 the 3i the whole square. Now solve it. This becomes, it becomes minus 8 minus 1 by 27. I cube can be written as I square into I. If you don't know directly I cube, just write I square into I. Here it becomes plus 3 into 4 into minus 1 by 3i. Here plus 3 into minus 2 into, this becomes 1 by 9i square. Now we can solve this. This becomes minus 1. So minus 8 minus 1 into minus 1 by 27 will become plus 1 by 27i. Here minus 3 gets cancelled. This becomes 4i. Here minus, this becomes minus into plus into minus will become minus. 3 2s are 6. We can cancel this. 3 3s are 9. Now this becomes minus 2. But minus 2 into, this is I square. I square will become minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 by 3. This becomes minus 1 by 3. Now solve the like terms. Before that, I'll write the solving this. I'll write it and then I will solve it. Minus 4i. This becomes plus 2 by 3. Now these are the like terms. The first and last is the like term, and these are the like terms. We need to solve it. So minus 8 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 27i minus 4i. So taking LCM, just multiply the number, it becomes 24. So minus 24 plus 2 by 3. Here plus 1i minus, if we multiply 27 with 4, it becomes 108 by 27. So we can solve this. This becomes minus 22 by 3. Here it becomes minus 107i by 27. So this is in the form of a plus ib. That's all with the sum. Thank you.